All right, guys, so this is the OffiGo adjustable height desk. This is the L-shaped one, and you can also modify it to have this be on the left side. If you want it in a different position, like if you want the L to be shaped that way, you can build it that way when you put this together. It took about 1 hour to put it together all by myself. If you're going to have help, it will definitely be half that time. It's pretty simple. So the surface right here is really cool. This is the carbon fiber option. There's also a white and wood grain color one. I went with this carbon fiber look, and it's very cool. The surface here is made of 3 sections. That gives you the opportunity to actually modify it, was what I said earlier. You have the control panel over here. 3 presets that you can quickly save just by selecting the level. So 72 is the lowest, which is about 27.5 inches high, and it goes up to 47 inches high. When to set it, you just press, you select your height. You can customize it, stop anywhere you want, and then if you want to save it, you're just going to press the S button and select the preset that you want to save it to. Comes with this quick troubleshooting guide right here. Very sturdy. Look at this build over here. All the metal is very nice. The motor is right here, and it has a rod going across the length, and it controls both of the feet, and the base is very solid. When I was assembling it, the pieces were all labeled, but very easy to follow the directions, and the instructions are very clear. It comes with this power adapter right here. The build of this desk is very nice and solid. It's very cool. So overall, I really like this desk. This is definitely a great choice for office or any work area, and I'm happy with this desk and recommend it to anyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please support my channel by hitting the like and subscribe buttons, and have yourself a great day.